Good morning everyone, and you can see I'm right now here on the Taligaon main roads, and if you can see behind me there are people who are handling all this paddy which has just come in. They are drying out the paddy. So to their bad luck or to their good luck, I don't know what should I say, but 4 people in an Innova came in and told these ladies to have these removed out right now because today Amit Shah is coming, and to have this removed out. So these ladies directly told them saying that, see, we are not the owners. Owner is Joe Boy and he's not there at Napatrao na munun, and this needs to be dried right now. So they cannot move this. They even said that the road is so big, why do we need to even move it? To be जाय जाल्यार आमी साइडीक काडटा. Then I'm सांगला ki in case if the police come, they will take it. Now this is what the farmers are facing. This happened in the morning. I just got to know about it and I came running over here and told the ladies saying that if anyone comes, please don't have it removed out. This road is wide enough and I don't think this inconvenience should cause to our farmers because we have fields on either side and everyone is harvesting. So it's very important that if this doesn't dry, where they're going to take it? There's so much of stock and there's more stock coming from the fields now to dry up. So we have to think of our farmers first. And I will try and ask these ladies what did those people say. So let me go and inquire with them. Good morning. Soka yon konan sangla. I was just trying to call up your oh card mun sangla. Teka lagun I live getla so that this is on record. This is on record. No one can ask you all to have this removed.
No, I'm not removing.
Yes. ओय आणि ती सांगता की पुलिस येऊन होतले हुई
कोण सांगता मी
इचार पुलिस येऊन सांगूंक ना
गाडी ओढली चार जण येयलेले आम्ही कॅमेऱ्या आम्ही शेतकारींना ना आणि कोण ना आम्ही असे करून दाखवून
चारांक येतलो पूण पुलिस येऊन होतलो हुई आणि काडटले हुई तेंका सारखे साफ जाय हुई रस्तो So but who are the police to come and take this? They can't do something like this. Let whoever come. So this is what I'm saying, that police are, these people have come in and just threatening them to remove down. This is, you can see this is all the rice over here. Okay, this is all the rice over here that needs to be dried up, and it has to be dried up on time. And today there's the sun which is down and it's nice and bright and sunny. This is what the farmers need, sun to dry it up. And this is what they are doing. This is what they are doing. They're creating inconvenience for the farmers. So for us, we need to see what is really required for the shed cars. Okay? This is right now open space, broad roads. People need to dry. They don't even use this space for more than 4-5 days. They dry it up, they pack it up. So kindly just letting you all know that especially the BJP Sarkar is, let these farmers dry this up. Don't cover it up. You have such a wide road and I don't think this should create inconvenience. We have our MLA over here. I think so she's there to make sure that things are okay, not create inconvenience for any of these farmers or the people working here. So a humble request to the police, humble request to the BJP governance is you have your meetings over here, but do not trouble these farmers. Thank you very much and have a good day everyone.